Most guys talk, but only if you know how to say the right words that spark instant attraction. Imagine if just one sentence could make her see you differently, intrigued, drawn in, and wanting more. Sounds powerful, right? Today, I'm revealing 6 psychological phrases that do exactly that. These aren't just words, they're triggers that create chemistry, build tension, and flip the script, so she's the one chasing you. And trust me, the last phrase? Most men are too afraid to use it, but those who do instantly stand out. Stick around, because this will change the way you communicate forever. Phrase number 1, that's what I like best about you. A compliment can be easily forgotten or remembered forever. The difference? Specificity. Anyone can say, you're beautiful, but that kind of flattery fades quickly. What truly sticks is when you recognize something unique, something deeper, something that makes her feel seen. Imagine this. You're in a conversation and she's passionately talking about her dreams, her struggles, or something that excites her. Instead of a generic response, you say, "The way you talk about your passions is inspiring. You have this energy that's impossible to ignore." Now that hits differently. This isn't just a compliment, it's recognition. It tells her, I see the real you. That's powerful. Why it works? People crave recognition beyond the surface. Research in psychology shows that humans have an innate need for validation, not just for their looks but for their thoughts, emotions, and unique quirks. When you acknowledge something deeper, you stand out from the countless others who only notice the obvious. Scientific insight. According to studies in interpersonal attraction, people feel more connected to those who validate their identity. When you highlight a personality trait, her humor, intelligence, creativity, or the way she makes others feel, it builds an emotional bridge that strengthens attraction. Example, consider the way Marilyn Monroe was perceived. She was adored for her beauty, but in private, she longed to be seen for her mind. When someone praised her intellect rather than just her looks, she felt an emotional connection that was far more meaningful. Timing is everything. The magic of this phrase isn't just in what you say, but when you say it. Timing can amplify its impact tenfold. Best moments to use it. When she's laughing genuinely and you say, "That's what I like best about you." Your laughter is contagious. It just makes the whole room feel alive. When she's sharing a personal story and you tell her, "That's what I like best about you." You're not afraid to be real, and that's rare. When she's expressing deep thoughts and you remark, "That's what I like best about you." You see things in a way most people don't, and it's fascinating. But be warned, authenticity is key. If you say this without genuine admiration, it won't land the same way. People can sense when words are empty. A powerful thought. There is no charm equal to tenderness of heart. Jane Austen. This quote from one of history's greatest romance writers captures the essence of what makes this phrase so impactful. A woman remembers not just words, but how those words made her feel. If you make her feel genuinely valued for something deeper than surface beauty, she won't forget you. So next time you give a compliment, make it one she'll remember. Phrase number 2, I'm not really that easy. This is the ultimate power move. Most men, in their desire to impress a woman, make one critical mistake. They try too hard. They shower her with compliments, respond instantly to every text, and go out of their way to prove their worth. But here's the irony. The more available you are, the less desirable you become. Women aren't attracted to a man who's too eager. They're drawn to the man who has standards, self-respect, and a sense of mystery. And that's exactly what this phrase signals. Why this works? When you say, "I'm not that easy," You subtly flip the chase dynamic. Instead of you pursuing her, you imply that she needs to work for your attention. This is based on a powerful psychological principle called the scarcity effect. Studies show that people place a higher value on things that are rare or difficult to obtain. The moment she feels she has to earn your attention, she values it more. Example: think about luxury brands like Rolex or Chanel. They don't beg people to buy their products. Instead, they create a sense of exclusivity. The result? People desire them more. The same principle applies to attraction. Most men, please like me. I'll do anything. High-value men, you have to prove you're worth my time. Guess which one sparks more attraction? How to use it. The key is delivery. Say it with a playful smirk in the right tone. This isn't about arrogance. It's about confidence and fun. Her gives you a compliment. Your response: "Oh, so now you're trying to impress me? I'm not that easy." With a wink. Instead of just absorbing attention, you make her feel like she's the one chasing. That changes everything. Why this is a game changer? It shifts the power dynamic. Instead of proving yourself to her, you make her prove herself to you. It creates mystery. Women love a man who isn't an open book. It showcases confidence, and confidence, magnetic. In the words of an old saying, confidence is silent, insecurities are loud. The guys who beg for attention, loud and desperate. The men who hold their ground, effortlessly attractive. Try this phrase in your next interaction and watch how the energy shifts. Phrase number 3, I'm not sure if you can handle me. This phrase is the definition of playful confidence. It's bold, slightly provocative, and most importantly, it challenges her. Most men try to impress women by proving their worth. But when you say, I'm not sure if you can handle me, you flip the script. Instead of convincing her that you're good enough for her, you make her wonder if she's good enough for you. And that triggers attraction instantly. Why this works? This phrase taps into one of the most powerful psychological triggers in human nature, the challenge effect. People are naturally drawn to what they feel they have to earn. The moment you frame yourself as someone who isn't easy to win over, you make yourself far more desirable. It also triggers curiosity. When you say this, her mind automatically starts spinning. What does he mean? Why wouldn't I be able to handle him? What's so special about him? And just like that, she's hooked. This phrase also works because it implies that you have depth, confidence, and a strong personality. It tells her that you won't settle for just anyone. And that? Irresistible. How to use it? The delivery of this phrase is everything. Say it with a playful smirk and keep the tone light and teasing. It should feel flirty, not arrogant. Her teasing you, trying to one-up you in a debate. Your response: raise an eyebrow. I like the confidence, but I don't think you're ready for me yet. This phrase keeps interactions fun and engaging. It's not about putting her down, it's about sparking playful intrigue. Why this is a game changer? It flips the script. Instead of chasing her, you make her feel like she has to prove herself to you. It creates instant curiosity. Women are naturally drawn to mystery. It makes interactions exciting. Instead of dull small talk, you create fun, flirty tension. Bonus quote: mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of man's desire to understand. Neil Armstrong. In other words, the less you give away, the more she'll want to figure you out. Try this phrase in your next conversation and watch how the dynamic shifts instantly. Phrase number 4, I don't believe you're ready for me yet. Now, this is where things get really interesting. This phrase is powerful because it taps into two of the most compelling psychological triggers that drive human behavior: the fear of loss. People naturally fear missing out on something valuable. The second you hint that she might not be ready for you, it triggers a subconscious reaction. She doesn't want to be left out or overlooked. The allure of scarcity. Humans desire what is rare, exclusive, and hard to get. When something is easily available, people don't value it as much. But when you position yourself as someone who isn't easily won over, you instantly become more attractive. This phrase creates mystery and intrigue. It forces her to question her own desirability and wonder what makes you different from other men. How to use it like a pro. This phrase works best in moments where she's feeling confident, playful, or even slightly competitive. Her teasing you about something. Your response, slow smile, "That's cute, but I don't think you're ready for me yet." Her, "Oh really? And why is that?" Boom, instant intrigue. Why this works like magic. It flips the dynamic. Instead of chasing her, you become the prize. It makes her want to prove herself. She starts wondering, why wouldn't I be ready? It creates instant intrigue. Mystery keeps people invested. Bonus quote: "You must be the prize, not the pursuer." Unknown. This phrase reverses the traditional dynamic and makes her see you as someone worth earning. Try it and watch how the energy shifts in your favor immediately. Phrase number 5. You have a unique personality. I like that. This isn't just a compliment, it's a mystery. Most men give predictable, surface-level compliments like, "You're beautiful. You have a great smile. You're really funny." While these are nice to hear, they don't stand out. They don't make her think. But when you say, "You have a unique way about you. I like that," it instantly sparks curiosity. Her mind starts racing with questions. Wait, what does he mean? What's so special about me? Why did he notice something others didn't? And that curiosity pulls her in. Why this works so well? It shifts her focus inward. Instead of thinking about you, she starts thinking about herself. She begins analyzing what makes her unique, and she associates that deep thought with you. It separates you from every other guy. Most guys focus on the obvious: her looks, her laugh, her style. But you're noticing something deeper. That makes you different. It makes her want to know more. The human brain hates unfinished puzzles. By keeping your compliment open-ended, you're giving her a mystery to solve, and that keeps her engaged. How to use it like a pro. This phrase works best when she's being herself, expressing her personality, her passions, or her quirks. Her saying something witty or unexpected. Your response, "You have a really unique way about you. I like that." Now she's thinking, what does he mean? And she's eager to keep the conversation going. Bonus, elevate the compliment with specificity. If you want to make this even stronger, add a hint of specificity without revealing too much. Instead of just saying, "You have a unique personality. I like that." Try saying, "You have a unique way of looking at things. It's refreshing. I like how you carry yourself. It's different in a good way. You have a really rare kind of confidence. Most people don't have that." This way she knows you're being genuine, but she still wants to hear more. A little mystery goes a long way in building attraction. Use this phrase wisely and watch how the energy shifts in your favor. Phrase number 6. I prefer women who know what they want. This phrase is a game changer. It's not just a compliment, it's a challenge. Instead of listing generic qualities like kindness or a good sense of humor, you say, I like women who know what they want. Why this works? It sets a standard. You're not desperate, you have preferences. It shows confidence. You know your worth. It makes her think, do I fit that description? How to use it. If she asks, what do you look for in a woman? Your response, I like women who know what they want. Watch her reaction. She'll instinctively want to prove she does. Pro tip, say it casually and with confidence. The moment she feels she needs to impress you, attraction skyrockets. Final thoughts. These 6 phrases aren't just words, they're psychological triggers that create intrigue and curiosity, show confidence without arrogance, make you stand out, shift the dynamic so she's chasing you. But remember, it's not just what you say but how you say it. Confidence plus playfulness plus timing equals irresistible. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. The next video dives even deeper into the art of attraction. Click here to watch it now.